Alright, so welcome back to Nerd Chic. I'm going to do an open box for this blood pressure monitor that I got offline. It's iHealth, and it works with your cell phone, as you can see. So anyways, I'm trying to get healthier, and this guy is going to help me do that. So the first part is this main part of the monitor. Good Lord, I think it's heavy. Here it is. Pull it out. Look at that. There it is. Great. Okay, let's just box in. Here's iHealth information. Ooh, that's really sticky. Pretty wild. It's got information on it. There's these. This looks like the manual for it. And here's another actual user's guide. Wow, that's a lot of stuff in that. And then down in here is the cuff. So I bought this one. You make sure that you get the right size cuff if you order it. There it is. Perfect. And then here you go. Look at that. That's your power cable. So charging it is Breeze. So that's it. That's pretty much it. Looks like it connects up. Yep, there's the rest of the tubing inside of there. Yep, that's it. There it is. It goes in here. Perfect, and there it is. So that's pretty much it. Again, this is the iHealth Ease blood pressure monitor. Really nice. You'll have to check this out later. And we'll do a walkthrough here at another time so you can see how it actually functions and works after we set it up. We'll set it up and everything and video it. With that said, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, watch some of our other videos, and make sure you're one of our subscribers. All right, thanks for tuning in, Nerd Chic. We'll talk to you later.